Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to colour a rainbow metallic beetle in the book Daydreams by Hannah Carlson. I'm also planning on making a time lapse of all the beetles on this page, so look out for that video in the future. So I'm using Polychromos pencils by Faber-Castell, and I'm making sure that my pencil's nice and sharp, and I'm just starting with this green colour and doing around the edges of, I don't know what you'd call this part of the beetle, I'm not very good with beetles anatomy, but I'm just going around the edges and then just fading it into the centre. And I'll just be doing the head this green colour. So that colour I used was emerald green, and next I'll be going on to light yellow glaze. Now I'll be coming back to this colour later. It's going to be a bit of a transition shade between it's going to be sort of a greeny, reddy, purpley, really dark purple at the bottom. You might even do a bit more green on these legs just to tie it through. Okay, now I'm taking my darkest purple, which is blue violet, and I'm just blending that into the legs at the back of the beetle. You can use whatever colours you like. Similar colours, completely different colours, just using the same technique. And I'm going to do some purple at the rear end of the beetle and just softly blend it up. If I want to do some more purple after, I can, but if I do too much first, too much too quick, I can't, it's harder to take that away. But I feel this beetle's already coming to life, so I'm happy with how it's looking at the moment. I might just put a few more shadows and different wee creases and edges of it. Okay, I'm going to take these two colours and just sort of mix them in through the main part of the body. Middle purple pink and crimson. Let's start with the crimson. And onto middle purple pink. And as you can see, I pretty much just ignore the lines that are coloured there and just colour straight over top of them. But for the actual main body sections, I take them into consideration. And let's really brighten this up by using some pink carmine. There we go. Now I do want to leave a bit of lightness just in through that centre, just because it is meant to look like a reflective surface. Hopefully this is looking as good as it does in real life on the camera. And let's add some red in. Okay, I've got deep scarlet, which I'm just going to add in a wee bit more, using all the colours today. And we're going to just add some of that up into the higher piece. So I just have all the colours that I've been using next to me, and I just reach for them as I see fit. If I don't quite like the way something's blended or looking. So I'm back onto middle purple pink. This beetle will take quite a few layers, I think. So I think I'll be back to the darkest purple, blue violet, just add little bits here and there. Okay, now I'm going to take my oranges and yellows and complete this section through here, and then I'll go in with some shading colours, which I like to use black, and I'm going to make sure to leave still a little bit of a highlight through the centre. Dark cardamom orange. Now I'm using dark chrome yellow. Also made sure not to blend any of that orange into the green, as orange and green would make brown. I have blended a little bit into the purple, as it just kind of makes a, I don't really want to say pinky red, but that is the colour it has created, which is looking fine. But if there was a bit more purple, a bit more blue in that purple, it would be a different story. It would also make a muddy brown colour. So the way I will transition that colour is with yellow and also some shadow with black. So I've got the cardamom yellow now, and I will also use the yellow I was using before, which was the light yellow. I'm going to take white. Sometimes I feel I can stuff it up by using white, so hopefully that doesn't happen today. Sometimes it takes the shine out of it, the look of the shine. I just like to put that where the highlight is and then go back over with my other colours. And another technique you can use is actually just using your eraser. I think it's time I bought a new one though. This one, when I grabbed it out this morning, it was all oily, so that can't be good. Back in with some yellow. I think I want to darken the green up as well, so instead of just using just black, I will use some black, but I think I'll find a darker green as well. And blend those colours with the yellow. Chrome oxide green. This is the darkest green that I own, and I'm just going to go and add some shadows just along the edges of these legs, just to give them a wee bit more dimension. So really, after I've got the base of it down, I look at the Beetle and then think, what do I think it needs? And just do that, and just keep layering until I'm happy with how it looks. This colouring book, Daydreams, the paper is reasonably thick, so it can take a lot of layers, as long as you're not too rough on it, although I press pretty firm most of the time. So let me know what you think, whether you enjoyed hearing my thought process on how I tackle colouring metallic beetles. You can see how I've just blended that there just by putting the black, and then I will add the black into, I guess you'd call them the horns, right on that edge. It's a very sharp point I'm using. I use the Faber-Castell pencil sharpener. It's actually for graphite pencils, and it says graphite pencils only on it, but I find for the polychromos it makes a really nice sharp point, and as they're a hard pencil they can handle it. I just always love to use sharp pencils. When I first got my polychromos pencils and I was thinking about the cost and how much I've just spent and how much I'm sharpening into my like sharpening away, I was thinking, oh, I don't want to waste them by sharpening them so much, but I actually get a much better result with them being so sharp, and I've never had to buy another pencil, although saying that I have got a double up of black and white. The amount of times that I would actually have to go out and buy another one, I'd actually just prefer to have a nice sharp pencil and make the most of using a quality pencil. Okay, so there's the finished Beetle. My camera cut out and I have no idea when that happened. It's meant to do a wee beep, but it's been playing up on me, and hopefully it hasn't missed too much, but there we are. So make sure to let me know what you think and subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!